Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can create account on ChatGPT. So let's just start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. So let's click on the Google Chrome. So as you can see, the Google Chrome is open. Now what we have to do, simply we have to write the ChatGPT here, and then we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, the website is open. Now simply what we need to do. So as you can see, we are getting two buttons here. The first one is about the login and the second one is about the sign up. If you want to create account, create a new account, then you have to click on the sign up. And if you have created an already account, then you have to click on the login and you have to provide the password and the details and you will be logged in successfully. So we have to create a new account, then simply we have to click on the sign up. And after clicking on the sign up, we have to wait for a few seconds. So let's wait. So as you can see, now here what we have to do, if you want to insert an email, you can also do that, and you have to click on the continue, and you can also use this method as well. And here's the second method. If you have already logged in with your email in Google Chrome, then you have to click on this. Or if you want to continue with the Microsoft account, you can also do that. Or if you want to continue with Apple, then you can also do that. You have these all options. It's up to you that which option you are using. So I'm going to click on this option. So let's wait for a few seconds and we have to click on this. Now we have to provide the email address, or we have to select that which one we want to use. So I'm going to use this one. So we have to click on this. So as you can see, now it's asking. So we have to confirm it with clicking continue. So let's click on the continue. So as you can see, after selecting the email, we have to write the name here. And after that, we have to write the birth date here. So I'm going to write that. So we have to select like 02 and 06, and I'm going to select 2003. Now we have to click on the agree. So as you can see, this is the simple way, and the ChatGPT account is created. You just have to open the ChatGPT website, and then you have to click on the sign up. Then you have to select your Google account, and then simply you have to write the name and your birth date, and the ChatGPT will be open. So as you can see, now it's done. Now, if you want to do any kind of a task, you can also do that. For example, I'm gonna ask it that write the letter. So I'm gonna write. So in this way, you can take advantage from ChatGPT. Now, if you want to assign any kind of other task like show me the names of richest person. So as you can see, I have did some spelling mistakes like in this word and then in this word, but after doing this mistake it will understand. So as you can see, now we have to press the enter and it will show you all the things that we want. So as you can see, in this way it's showing us the names of the top 10 richest persons. So in this way you can create account on ChatGPT and take advantages of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create account on ChatGPT. So see you guys in the next video.